The whole purpose of the centre is to bring different disciplines into our space. So the industry partners that we work in, there's a number of different categories, I would say, of that ecosystem, of that group of external partners. There's those that work within the practitioner areas, so that's law enforcement, so the police forces. There's those that work within the scientific domains, so that's the forensic scientists and forensic science laboratories and providers. And then there are those that make use of it, so that's the legal teams, the prosecutors, the defenders and the judiciary, whose decision really rests around what sort of tools and technology are we comfortable admitting into a courtroom to go in front of a jury. And so we also have an engagement with the public that is important. And this centre here has a citizens' jury, and we use that citizens' jury, ordinary members of the public, to help us ensure that the journey we go on with the research is one that is also fit for purpose in terms of elevating their understanding of what we do. So we have this grouping of this group of practitioners, if you like, across our ecosystem. And then we bring into that leaders in industry from outside of forensic science. So we've worked in the past with colleagues from the biometrics industry, from life sciences, from NHS, from all sorts of any industries where we think they can help us articulate a solution to the challenges and the problems that our practitioners are telling us that they have. So really, we'll work with anybody. We'll bring them into our space and we'll have conversations with them alongside our practitioners, from the crime scene to the courtroom, sometimes with the public in there as well, to say, actually, here's our problem. Here's where we think our future problems are going to be. This is where we currently have challenges. This is where we think the future challenges are going to be. This is what we think the solution might be. How do we work together with industry in that mix to help us get to the solution space? And we do that through a series of strategic conversations, which we have once or twice a year, that brings all of those people together in our space here at the university, so that we can have that co-created understanding and then solution space. And then it provides industry with the opportunity to really understand what this particular area within the forensic science and criminal justice ecosystem needs, rather than assuming what they need.